Hi everyone, I just wanted to come on and tell you about a new social studies app that I found. So, when I assign it, your first one will be on Wednesday. Um, you will click on the link, and the link should take you to a page that says choose an account. So this time the example is to choose Braden, but you will pick the one with your own name, of course. And that should take you straight to the app that I want you to be on. So today's topic is North American Indian nations. There's all these different kinds, and you can click here for it to read to you.
Some American Indians drew pictures on animal skins or on rocks.
So that's super cool. And you can scroll down and do the questions at the end, but you press next and it'll take you to through each and every single one of these. And I think there's games at the end for you to play. So hopefully it's a fun app for you to use for social studies. Once you get through all of them, maybe sometimes I'll assign a little test, but this time I'm not going to put a test just so we can try it out. So let me know how it is in the comments. And hopefully you don't need any passwords or anything. But if you do need a password, which I'm hoping you won't, your password is your name. So let me know if you can get in. And hopefully it's a fun educational app.